Welcome to Youuchef, where you are the chef. Today I'm going to show you how to make potato and fish cakes served with cucumber and guava salsa. So to do that, we will be starting off with the cakes, and I will take the fish and add to the potato that has already been boiled in salted water, flour, green seasoning, lime juice, salt and black pepper to taste, and some pepper sauce. So the next step is to take all these ingredients and combine them together. Take the potato and fish mixture and form them into cakes. What I like to do is grease the surface that I'm putting the cakes on with some oil and form the cakes onto that surface. You would want the cakes to have at least 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch thickness. Take the cakes and put them in the freezer for approximately 10 to 15 minutes to get hard. And I bread these cakes in a mixture of cornmeal and flour that is seasoned with salt and black pepper. So in here I have cornmeal and flour with some salt and black pepper that I'm mixing together. I'm going to take the fish and potato cakes and bread them in this until we have that wonderful golden brown color. To make the cucumber and guava salsa, I'll be peeling the cucumber, cutting that in medium dice as well with the guava, seasoning them with salt and black pepper, some hot pepper, and a teaspoon of lime juice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. I'm out.